Nick with Push Industries. Today we are going to talk about our UHMW plastic skid shoes. These are for the John Deere 47 and 54 inch quick hitch snowblowers, and they can also go on the 44 inch snowblowers. So a lot of people have driveways they want to keep looking nice, not have rust stains on. These UHMW skid shoes do just that. It is part number 118.601. It's going to come with all of the hardware to go on the 47 and 54 as well as that 44 inch blower. Pretty straightforward to mount. A couple of things we want to walk through. As you can see here, we have our OEM steel ones. They're secured with 2 bolts. You can add an optional third in the rear if you would like. The design of these poly ones are actually going to use 3 right off the get-go, and that third hole is going to be located right here. This snowblower here is a little unique. It has our Push Industries heavy-duty side plates. Adds just about 1/4 inch of thickness. You can see that seam right here, and it bolts right on. You just punch these holes, keeps everything very stout and strong. If you hit a curb, it's not going to bend and wreck bearings for your auger. But with that addition, we do need to remove this carriage bolt here, and then we are going to drill out this hole right there. I believe it's an 11/32, and we'll jump right into it and get this installed. Okay, jumping right into removing these. It's going to be 13 millimeter nuts on all of these bolts here. And you can get a good look in here. So now we are gonna no longer use this hole here, and we're gonna add one right there. As mentioned previously, that hole is already in your snowblower. We are just opening up our reinforcement plate to allow that bolt to pass through. Okay, our new hole is drilled, and one thing that helps is to get the height correct of your cutter bar off the ground. You can put like a washer underneath the edge there to raise it up, and then make sure your UHMW foot pads contact the ground. It's kind of a nice little way to get it even, and then you just do the same thing on the other side. Pat's going to go ahead now and line these 3 holes up, pushing the provided hardware through, putting on the flange nuts. And then tighten them down, 13 millimeters on either side. And the nature of UHMW is it is very slippery, which is good for the ground, but it's also going to make these bolts want to kind of slide around. So it's very important to tighten them very tight. And you may need to go back and do it again, kind of get them burnt in there. And there you go. We got the UHMW Push Industries skid shoes installed, nice and clean. Check us out at pushinds.com. Thank you.